The Earth is made of three main layers that are full of fascinating secrets. Understanding the Earth's layers are crucial to uncovering the secrets of our planet's structure. From the scorching hot core to the crust that we walk on, each layer plays a vital role in making our planet habitable. When you think about the Earth's crust, you might picture it as this massive layer. But here's the thing, the crust is surprisingly thin. It's only about 5 to 70 kilometers thick. To put that into perspective, if the Earth were an apple, the crust would be as thin as the skin. The oceanic crust found under the oceans is thinner and denser, while the continental crust under the land is thicker but lighter. Beneath the Earth's crust is the mantle, and get this, the mantle makes up a whopping 84% of Earth's total volume. That's almost the entire planet. But it's not just a boring chunk of rock. The mantle flows very slowly, like a super thick syrup. This movement is what drives tectonic plates, causing earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even mountain building events. The mantle is the real powerhouse of our planet. The Earth's mantle is also home to a vast network of diamonds. That's right, diamonds. It's estimated that there are over 1 quadrillion tons of diamonds hidden deep within the mantle, which is about 20 times more than all the diamonds mined in Earth's history. The most astonishing fact is that Earth's layers can affect our climate. That's right, the Earth's mantle can store and release massive amounts of carbon dioxide, which plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's temperature. This process can even lead to extreme climate fluctuations, shaping the Earth's history over millions of years. Mantle plumes are super hot columns of rock that rise deep from within the mantle and reach the Earth's surface, often causing volcanic hotspots, like those formed in the Hawaiian Islands. But mantle plumes just aren't about creating volcanoes. They also release massive amounts of gases, including carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, into the atmosphere. Let's dive deeper to the outer core. The outer core is this massive layer of molten iron and nickel that's constantly churning. What's wild is that this movement generates Earth's magnetic field, kind of like a giant dynamo. While we are still refining our understanding of this, the dynamo theory explains that Earth's magnetic field is generated by a process similar to a natural electric generator in the Earth's outer core. This magnetic field is what protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, life on Earth would be impossible. So next time your compass points north, thank the outer core. Finally, let's talk about the inner core. This solid ball of iron and nickel is about 2,442 kilometers in diameter, or 70% of the size of the moon. And get this, it's as hot as the surface of the sun, reaching temperatures up to 6,000 degrees Celsius. But here's the kicker. It's solid, not liquid, due to the immense pressure pushing down on it from the outer layers. So while it's scorching hot, it's squeezed so tightly that it stays solid. What is important to remember about Earth's layers is they're all connected. The Earth's core, mantle, outer core, and crust are all intertwined, and there isn't necessarily a solid boundary. What happens in one layer can have a ripple effect on the entire planet, and this is what makes our planet so unique and complex. And it's exactly what we need to understand to better appreciate the Earth's incredible beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for quick geology breakdowns. Until next time, stay curious.